Good afternoon, morning, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today's September 25th, 2024, and we're looking at some pretty nice carambola trees, which is the formal name for the starfruit tree. Now, if you look in here, there are a bunch of fruit. Now, I didn't know that until about 2 days ago. I wasn't really paying attention to these trees. There's some fruit in there. This one's decent sized. Most of them are kind of small, but they'll probably get a lot bigger. I don't know. We'll see. I don't see any terribly large ones right now, except for there are big clumps, big patches of starfruit. Now, they're just growing in the Florida sugar sand, and they're out of the way of a windy location. So basically, they're very sheltered from the oaks and these palms, the sable palms, and also the house keeps them pretty well sheltered from the wind, specifically these sable palms. Yeah, they don't like wind at all. Over here we have a massive starfruit. I mean, look at the size of this thing to my hand. It's bigger than my hand. So that's pretty cool. I see some more flowers coming in, so the production on these is really odd. It's really unpredictable. You just never know when these are going to produce. They produce when they want to, essentially. Look at all those. I've got 5 of these on the property, 5 starfruit trees. Here's some over here, some more production. And they just grow like weeds. They just do really well. So going forward, we're just going to, let them grow. I might do something with the fruit. You can juice them, you can cut them. I wouldn't recommend eating too many of them. You have to cut this little spline off of the outsides, because that apparently contains poisonous stuff, and you have to wait until they ripen completely before you eat them. Those are all the recommendations that I've read up on. But all in all, yeah, you can juice them, and I might try to sell them. I don't know. We'll see. Give them to the kids to start a fruit stand or something like that. See if people will pay a couple bucks for them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps the channel grow. And stay tuned, as I'll keep you updated on the progress of these very healthy starfruit trees. Have a great day.